Hello all. Are you planning to start a blog this 2021? Then you are on the right path. Today's video is gonna be about how to start a blog, more than that, things to know before starting a blog, and this is blogging tips for beginners. Things to be aware of this 2021 before starting a blog is, the first tip is, have a purpose for your blog. Purpose in the sense, a niche for your blog. If you are a lifestyle or a fashion blogger, your photos and the pictures you share and the way you carry yourself should be very eye-catchy, and people should be ready to follow you and to know your ideas about fashion, and people should be ready to know your lifestyle also. Then whatever the niche is, people should be ready to follow it and they should understand it. Your content should be understandable even to a layman. If yours is a comedy niche, then every content which you share should be highly hilarious and instantly hilarious, and it should be very much understandable even for a layman. The second one would be the platform you prefer to do your blogging. There are so many platforms available, so research about it and choose your platform. The most famous and the two main platforms are, one is Blogger and the other is WordPress. Choose whichever is suitable for you. Research about it, understand about it, and choose the one which you prefer. Once you have preferred a blogging stream or a blogging platform, then the next step would be, what you have to prefer is, make sure you get a domain for yourself, a domain, so that you will look professional. Even without a domain, you can carry on, it's not a problem. But if you have a domain, it would be highly professional. If you have decided to make blogging your profession, make sure you're highly dedicated and determined. Only then you can carry on the long run for blogging. Make sure you have a very good vocabulary and writing skill to hold on to a position in this field, and prefer a language in which you are very strong with your vocabulary and writing skills as a medium for your blog. It's not a must that it should only be in English. Prefer whichever language you are comfortable with, but your blog should be clear and it should be understandable even to a layman, and it should have a purpose and catchy content. Any job requires a dedicated time for a fruitful result from it. Likewise, blogging also needs time. Make sure you have enough time to do your work. Allocate enough time to make your ideas into contents. Now that if you have a niche, time, passion, good vocabulary and writing skill in any particular language of your comfort, then why wait? Start your blogging right this day.